What's up guys, it's Pratice. I'm back with another video. I've been gone for a while, been very busy, but today I have something special for you guys. Today I'm giving the top 5, in my opinion, best beginner apps for trading. So these apps right here are demo apps. It's not real money. So if you're under the age of 18, you can use these apps to practice with trading. So first, I'm not a financial advisor, so do not go into the real markets doing any of these things. This is just practice and for educational purposes only. Okay, for the first app we have is called Forex and Stock Market Game Trading Simulator for Beginners. This might be the best one. I haven't really used it, I just downloaded it today. So it has a 4.9 rating. 4.9, that's almost 5 out of 5 stars. So, and it has 2.8k ratings. That means like how many people actually rate. That's the first app, that's why I recommend this one the most out of all the other ones, but all the other ones have their own little interesting features as well. So the second one will be the Forex Game for Beginners. So I'll put the link in the description, or I'll just have it lined up. It's called Forex Game, the number 4 Beginners. So this one, I like it because the blackout feature. So it's like shows all the charts in black, like a dark mode. That's basically what it is. So I'll have that pulled up, showing every little feature of it. So this one is pretty fun because when I was using it, it was very interesting in how quick I lost and gained money. So you start off with $1,000 in the account. It's not real money. Remember that, it's not real money. It's just demo money. So when you use it, you invest in whatever you think is gonna go up or go down. And if you predict, like, say Bitcoin is gonna go down, you put down, and then when it goes down, you make money. If you think it's gonna go up, you put up and you make money. So it's pretty simple. Yeah, so the app's pretty smooth. They keep track of like the closed positions, the open positions, and things like that as well. The only downside is it doesn't give that much information. It gives you a decent amount, but for the first, that's why I had the first 3. It's called Go Forex. Alright, so this app, it tells you how to read the charts. It tells you what days are the best days to sell and buy. It gives you education on all of the trading and in Forex. So I use this app personally on my free time to understand and gain more knowledge about Forex and trading. So if you're under the age of 18, I would recommend these because the age to open up an account is 18. And there are also other ways that you can open an account when you're younger, but I'll get into that in a different video. Alright, so let me tell you a little bit more about this app. This app has a 4.3 rating on the Apple App Store, so it's a decent rating. It's not a bad rating. So have some decent reviews. I should pop up the thing on the screen. It will show what the app looks like. So this app, it shows you how to buy, sell, read charts, what's all the terms for trading, like bearish, bullish. You learn all that in this one. So that's one of the reasons I recommend this one. But another reason, it tells you exactly what time the market's open. It tells you exactly, like I said earlier, when the best time is to trade, when the worst time to trade is. It tells you a little bit of everything. So that's a pretty good amount. And it tells you, like, learn the basics and the secrets of trading Forex, learn how to predict currency rate movement, uncover the best times to trade Forex. So it's pretty similar to the first one. So I might be using Forex and stock market game more than Go Forex. I just downloaded it today. It seemed very interesting. It seemed very well organized. So that's why I might start using it more. It has great features. Just off of like opening the app, it had great features. The next one is MetaTrader 4. So MetaTrader 4, you can open up a live and demo account. But if you're under 18, in order to open a live account, you have to have a custodial. I'll talk about that in a different video. So MetaTrader 4, it doesn't have any term. It doesn't tell you that much on the educational side, but it shows you like the different charts and different things. So this app is basically for if you already know like the basics of trading. So if you want to use this one, you can open up a demo account, and if you already know what to do, it's a good app. So it has the news. It shows the news on there, and yeah, that's why I had this one at number 4. It's not very educational. It's usually made for live trading, but you can also do demo trading. So that's why I had this at number 4. The ratings are very high. It has 4.8 rating. 440K people rated it. So it's pretty interesting. It's very simple in a way. If you understand, it's simple. But if you're new to like trading Forex and trading in general, it's gonna be very confusing at times. But you'll learn after you use the app for a long time. And then the last one is Forex.com. So Forex.com is very similar to MetaTrader 4, but you start off with, I don't remember exactly when I started the demo, but when I started the demo, it started me with $50,000. Yeah, it started me with $50,000 and demo money. Remember that, cause the ratings are very low. This probably has one of the worst ratings out of all of them. It's 3.6, 1.7K ratings, and it's ranked number 137 in finance. It's divine for the phone, but the best, like, if you want to trade like well and see the charts and stuff well, it's best to trade on a computer or a laptop. It's very confusing to do it on the phone, and very like you have to turn your phone certain ways. You have to do all kind of stuff. That's why it's best to get a laptop. But if you don't have money for a laptop, you can just learn from your phone. At number 1, I have Forex and stock market game. This is the best one. This is the best one you can get. It has you can also trade in a regular stock market, the SP 500. You can trade in that as well. It's a great all around app for beginning, no money, don't know anything about Forex or trading. It's the best app for like to start if you don't know anything. And even if you do know a little bit about trading, you can still learn some more from this app. And that's what I plan to do on my free time, learn different stuff like that. So this one has a 4.9 rating, 2.8K ratings. It is ranked at my #1 in my opinion. And listen, I've only used this app for like 30 minutes and it's already beat all the apps. It's at #1 right now. So that's the ratings explain itself. Basically 5 stars explain itself. So that'll be the #1. The next one will be Go Forex. Forex trading for beginners. So this one has 4.3 ratings, 293 ratings. Or 4.3 stars, 293 ratings. It's very similar to the first one, but it doesn't have the SP 500 market. So it doesn't have Apple, Tesla, things like that. So this one just trades Forex and Bitcoin. And their updates are very old. The last time they updated was 2018. So I might get rid of the app. But this is like, it's still very knowledgeable. You can learn a lot from this app. Alright, the next one is Forex Game for Beginners. This one's very simple, very smooth, very easy. It has 4.6 rating, 4.6 stars, 1.4K ratings. It tells you when you open, what your position is, tells you when you close, how much you made on it. And remember, this is all demo money, so this is just prepping you for the live markets, how you're gonna do it in a real time. So when you do it on this one, it's very smooth, simple. You buy, either it's gonna go up or down. It's usually not that simple on like the MetaTrader 4 and things like that. This one you just predict if it's gonna go up or down, and then you make money off of it. And then so that's it. Number 3, number 4 is MetaTrader 4. Tells you about the news, full-fledged technical analysis, real-time quotes of the financial symbols. So it's very, I wouldn't say it's very beginner friendly. It's very experience friendly. So if you have some type of experience in trading Forex, you would know what to do. So that's why I have Forex markets for beginners, or something like Forex something at #1. Forex stock market game at #1, because it tells you, it shows you, does everything. It has pictures. Like if you're a person that learns from pictures, it's great. And then last but not least, we have Forex.com trading, Forex trading. So this is a broker actually, but they have demo accounts that you can use. So when you open a demo account, you get 50,000. At least that's what I remember, 50,000. It's very similar to MetaTrader 4, but it's best to get this on a computer. Like, I wouldn't use this on phone. Like if I was really trying to learn something from it, it would be very aggravating to learn on the phone. So it would be best to start with the first one. If you don't like the first app, the second one, or whatever you prefer like the most. So that concludes this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, share the video to somebody who might be interested in trading Forex markets, SP 500, and stocks in general. So hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what video I should do next. Should I do some more videos like this, or reactions, whatever? I'll do. Alright, peace. Tie this out.